Hello students, today we are going to find the value of root 2 and root 3 up to 2 decimal places using division method. Very first of all, let's go for root 2. We have to find the value of root 2 to 2 decimal places. For that, we are going to find the value with the help of this to at least 3 decimal places, and then we are going to do the round off. And to get 3 decimal places, digits in 3 decimal place, we are going to place 3 pairs. 3 pairs means 6 zeros. Then make the pairings. After a decimal from the left side and before decimal from right. Now we are going to continue the question as we were generally doing in the division method. Here 1 ones are 1. You've got 1 over here. Then subtract it. You got 1 over here and then plus 1 to it. You get 2. Then you are going to copy these two, and as we are going to copy the digits after a decimal place, we are going to put a decimal over here. After placing the decimal, now 2 we can try for the 4. 24 into 4 will be 96. 4 96. This is not needed that you will be get the exact answer in one attempt. You may have to try for the various numbers, then you will be able to get the number. So you can try for the others, but here I just directly come to this one. Minus, subtract 4. These two will be copied now. Now after this we just add this 4 over here, and this will become 2 8, and we get 4 for this one. Now if I multiply this number by 1 only, if 281 is multiplied by 1, you will be getting 281 only. So we will going to take the 1, because in the case of the 2 it will be exceeding that. So we take, then subtract it, and on subtracting you will be getting 9 and 1, and here again 1. Now this will be added, that is 1. Then you have to copy these two, the next two digits. Now add this and this, and this will be 282. Now you have to write something over here and just multiply with the same number. We can try for the 4, and on trying for the 4 you will be getting over here as 11296. Then subtract it. On subtracting you will be getting 4 0 and 6, and here you will be getting 4. As this is an irrational number, root 2 is not a perfect square, so you will be getting numbers again and again, and that is not to repeating also. So as we have to find for the 2 decimal places only, we have stopped over here. Now here we have got root 2 equals to 1.414. Now we want to round off it for the 2 decimal places. For that, as you all know, that for the 2 decimal places we have to consider till here. Now we are going to check this whether this one is 5 or more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, we are going to add 1 to this, otherwise we have to copy. So this one is smaller than 5, so we are going to take this as 1.41. Now let's see for the root 3. For the root 3, again we have to do the same thing. Again 6 zeros, pairing from the left side and from the right one. As it is 3, so we have to start from the 1 only, because 1 1 jar 1. Then 1 over here, subtract it, we will be getting 2, and this will be also 2. Then we are going to copy the digits after a decimal place. So we are going to place this decimal point over here. Then we can try for the 7. 27 into 7 will be 189. Now subtract it, and on subtracting you will be getting 1 and 1 plus 7 to it. This will become 3, 4. Now the next two digits will be copied, and here you can try for the 3, and on multiplying this number by 3 you will be getting 1029. Subtract it, on subtracting you will be getting 71, and the next two will be copied. Here we have to write this also. 7 was taken over here, and then we have taken 3, then plus 3, and on copying this will become 3, 4 and 6. Then we can go for the 2. There is 34, this is somehow 3400, and this is 71 only, so we can try for the 2, and this will become 6, 9, 2, 4. Subtract it, and this will be 176, and 2 as your answer. Now here again, root 2 equals to root 3 equals to 1.732, and on making a round off for the two places you will be getting 1.73 only, because 2 is less than 5. That's all in this video. Thank you.